Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be working with the hair building keratin fiber. Stay tuned for more tips.
Caught in a landslide, lost underground.
Nishman hair building fiber, it is an amazing product to have more hair. It is produced from real hair fibers. It is attached to the hair and makes your hair and beard looks full.
Come close to midnight, hell fed me down, and then my eyes got used to the darkness, and everyone I knew was lost and so long forgotten.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products. Stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Now would you break me before you twist the knife?